Hello, my name is Mark, and welcome to Mustangs Plus and Rustamod's how-to video. Today we're going to be installing the Mustang export brace, original style. These were braces fitted on Mustangs being exported from the United States. Their design is to keep the shock towers together. We've got a black one, and we also have a chrome one. On our test vehicle tonight, we're going to be installing the black one. And with that, we'll see how it gets fitted. Okay, we're ready to get going here. And what we're going to do first, we're going to take out the air cleaner to give us better access. We're going to remove the stock bracing, and we're also going to remove the shock hats on both sides. Remove everything, and then we'll fit our black export brace, and we'll get it installed. Okay, we're going to remove the air cleaner assembly, and with that gives us access to everything we're going to have to be working on. Okay, we're going to remove the braces. Loosen everything up. Get them all loose and it should come right out. There's the stock brace, and we'll do the same thing for the other side. Okay, we're going to continue on with the installation by removing shock absorber bolts. Okay, and we're going to take out the nuts for the shock cap and remove it completely. Okay, shock cap coming off. Leave the shock absorber where it's at, and with this we'll get the export brace, get it fitted, and we'll show you the rest of the installation. Okay, we've got our new export brace ready to fit, get it installed. It's a pretty simple process, and the way it goes, you've got a shock absorber on the other side. You get it over there, and then you get it over on this shock. Line it up, it should fit right onto the studs, and then you lower it on this side. Now, it may need a little bit of massaging, because if the shock towers are out of kilter for a variety of reasons, maybe the car was hit, all Mustangs are different, you may have to massage it a little bit, and sometimes you may need to use a drift punch situated up here to help move it either right or left. Okay, in this case we're going to move it to the right. And it's just about there. Okay, there it is. It's all situated in there. We'll get our shock caps. Get those mounted. Get the nuts started. We'll get it all cinched down. We'll tie the shocks to the caps, tighten everything up, and then we'll come back up here and we'll get the bolts up on the cowl, cinch everything down, and that will pretty much complete our installation. Okay, we're gonna put in our bolts here into the cowl, and at this point you may want to use your drift punch to help get everything aligned up. Get that started and get them so that the bolts just drop right in. Okay. With that, we'll take our drift out. We'll get the last one in here. Get our nuts attached to the bolts, and then we'll get everything cinched down. Okay, we're going to finish up by tightening everything down, and we'll finalize it on the cowl. Everything's done there, nice and tight. And we'll finish up with the shock caps. And the shock bolts. And just to let you know, you need no additional nuts and bolts. Whatever was there existing on the original brace, you'll just reuse all the hardware. And our brace is in. This is really going to help keep our apron tight, minimize a little bit of squeaks, and you'll be driving down the road and you'll really feel the difference. And that pretty much concludes our installation of the original style Mustang export brace.